Most manufacturing-level chemistry in the pharmaceutical industry is done through batch synthesis, where raw materials, catalysts, and other ingredients are added to a large vessel. They are stirred to stimulate chemical reactions, and eventually the desired end product is separated from byproducts and solvents. Batch synthesis has been the status quo in drug manufacturing for decades. But batch manufacturing is far from ideal because it brings large amounts of reactive materials into contact all at once, and often requires or generates large amounts of toxic solvents or byproducts. As quantities scale, so do the dangers. A batch process that is completely safe at laboratory scale may be hazardous at the manufacturing level. That's why in recent years, leading CDMOs like ASIMChem have turned to safer, cleaner, more efficient methods to manufacture drugs. Chief among these is continuous flow technology. Rather than cooking large batches of materials in tanks, flow technology continuously mixes small amounts of chemicals as they pass through a series of pipes. These flow processes are inherently safer because smaller quantities of reactants are in play at any given time. Flow technology also dramatically reduces the required amounts of solvents and reagents that pose health, safety, and environmental risks. In addition, flow reactions provide precise control and immediate feedback on how variables such as mixing, heating, and residence time affect reaction performance, so both product quality and yield are usually improved. Finally, flow equipment is modular. It's easier to build and to reconfigure, and it generally provides substantial space savings over batch technology. Best of all, flow chemistry can deliver eye-opening improvements over batch methods. For example, compared to batch production of carbapenem, ASIMChem's continuous flow technology reduces the production cycle from 20 days to 1.5 days, reduces process mass intensity by 50%, and avoids the expense and energy required to treat thousands of tons of waste solvents. Because of these advantages, in 2012, ASIMChem made a commitment to develop the industry's most robust and comprehensive capabilities for continuous flow technology. The wisdom of that decision was confirmed 3 years later. In 2015, the head of the US FDA referred to continuous flow as the future of drug development. Today, ASIMChem applies continuous flow technology to a constantly expanding range of manufacturing modalities, and we look forward to bringing the benefits of flow technology to an ever greater number of clients. For more information, visit asimchem.com.